In today's video, let us try to understand the different software testing types. At a very high level, software testing is classified into three types: black box, white box, and gray box testing. Black box testing is a type of testing in which tester will check the functionality of the application without having any knowledge about the internal structure. Black box testing is further classified into two types: functionality testing and non-functionality testing. Black box testing is also otherwise known as behavioral testing and specification based testing. In reality, black box testers, they will be checking each and every functionality of their application. White box testing is a type of testing in which testers check only the internal structure of the application. White box testing is otherwise known as clear box testing or glass box testing or transparent box testing or also as structural testing. Gray box testing, it is a combination of black box testing and white box testing. So in gray box testing, testers will check the functionality of the application but will also possess knowledge about the internal structure.